This isn't going to be a long video. The purpose of it is just to show you what happened when I removed the skylight. It was an older skylight. I have no idea how old it was, but it had a bunch of these little cracks in it. And it had these cracks in it ever since we moved in. That was at least 10 years ago. And of course, I couldn't get it out. Had to end up breaking the plastic out, which allowed me to make this video because it was brittle. So here we are. Let's go ahead and take a look at the video footage of just exactly how brittle this plastic became over a period of time. I just wanted to show you how brittle this skylight is. It's real easy to break, and you can see all the cracks in it. Something like a heavy a hurricane or some strong winds, maybe even some sleet or some hail would just tear that thing up. So just something to think about with a plastic skylight.